Hi, my name is Ka-en, and I'm going to demonstrate the improvements I added and briefly describe how they were implemented in the code. I made 6 major improvements, and one is a score system, and secondly, level up system with speed up, third, game start screen, and game instruction page, and game leader screen, and fifth, turn design on the edge of the screen, and lastly, I add some colors and font for Ozect. So I'm going to explain about these things at once because they are related to each other. This is my backend C file, and the level up and score and speed up systems are implemented here. So first, the algorithm is like this. When the function tag the snake is snake called with food, then score is increased every time the snake eats food. And here, when I'm getting 3 points, the level is increased by 1. And also the snake's movements were accelerated using the timeout function when the level is increased. As you can see, I reduced the speed according to the level. So I use timeout function for displaying the level masses and also change the snake's movement speed. So when I set the argument as 0, the movement of snake will be stopped. And then the message will be shown for 2 seconds. And then I put the changed speed into as arguments into timeout function again. Then let's see how it is implemented in the game. So when I start the game, and when I eat some food, you can see the score has changed. And when I eat 3 foods, it shows a level message and the speed has changed. As you can see, the speed is faster than before. I'm going to show you again. Now it's level 2 and it's much faster than before. And as you can see, you can find the score and level here. Yeah, they are well implemented. Now I'm going to explain about 3 design pages in my program. There are 3 design pages in my program. One is game start screen, which is this welcome screen, and the other is game instruction page for about game manual how to play. And lastly, there are game leader screen with the final score. So in my program, they are all implemented in the front and the C file because they are related to game screen design. Before explaining about the mouse input, I'm going to explain firstly about the finish page. When the game is over, the game over message will be printed for 2 seconds because I put delay for 2 seconds, and also the finish page with the final score for 10 seconds. And I set them to be automatically converted because that's useful in my thinking. And for the 2 pages, the welcome page and instruction page, they are interchangeable. When I click, I'm going to show you. When I click once on the welcome page, it will convert it into instruction page. And if I click once again, it will show back the welcome screen again. And after the game is over, now the current score is 1. And the game over message will be shown for 2 seconds, and game leader screen will be shown for 10 seconds with the final score. You can see the final score is 1. Now I'm going to explain about turn design on the active screen. It was my point that how I can prevent the overlapping between snake, snake, the scoreboard, and the edges. So in my code, I take screen limits by considering edge and scoreboard so that snake cannot overlap with the edge. And also this code is for putting a new food on the screen. And I also considered again the edge and scoreboard to be not overlapped. So as you can see, the snake can move by the edge, and also you can see the food is only drawn only in the screen where the food is only drawn without overlapping scoreboard and turn. Lastly, I'm going to explain about how I added colors and fonts for objects. So here are so different color combinations with the main function. So variety color combinations are used to express objects such as a snake, foods, messages that give the user a sense of liveness. So in this game, the snake is green, foods are red, and the scoreboard is made with yellow and board font. And also you can find different color combination on different pages. Like they have different color between game wizard page and welcome screen. Yes. This is the end of my demonstration of my program. So thank you for listening.